I can't say this in English. My mind is blank and everyone is watching.
Breathe. You don't need big words. You need the right, simple words.
I froze in the meeting today. I knew the idea, but not the English.
That feeling hurts, but successful people use simple phrases every day. Today, we will fix this problem together.
By the end, you will confidently use 10 powerful English phrases in real life. Simple phrases, strong confidence.
Like the video and subscribe if you want calm English, not stress. Let's tell a story.
You are at work. New job, new people.
You want to sound confident, but English feels scary. Don't worry. Let's start with phrase 1.
The boss asks a question.
You panic and say,
Sorry? I don't know.
that sounds unsure. You should say, let me think.
Let me think.
Strong, calm, confident. Repeat with me, learners. Pause the video and say it out loud.
Let me think. Exactly. Nice.
Someone explains an idea and you start saying,
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
that sounds fake. Instead, you should say, that makes sense. This shows understanding.
Repeat after me, learners. That makes sense.
Simple words can be powerful. Someone shares a plan and you start saying,
Same, same, same.
not natural. You should say, I agree.
I agree.
Short, clear, professional. Now repeat after me, learners. I agree.
Again, with confidence. I agree.
Now, responsibility. Your manager asks for help and you start saying,
Maybe I try, if possible.
that sounds weak. Instead, you should say, I'll take care of it.
This sounds strong.
Repeat after me, learners. I'll take care of it. Nice speaking.
Successful people ask questions.
You share an idea and you said,
You like?
too simple, not natural. Instead, you should say, what do you think?
What do you think?
Very useful, very polite. Pause the video and say it with me, learners. What do you think?
Notice something? These phrases are easy, but they sound confident.
Exactly. Confidence is not big English. Now, progress. Someone asks about your task and you start saying,
Not finished. Problem.
that sounds negative. Instead, you should say, I'm working on it.
I'm working on it.
Honest, calm. Repeat it, learners. I'm working on it.
New challenge. A new task appears, and I start saying, I can't. Too hard.
Fear speaks. Instead, you should say, I'd like to try.
I'd like to try.
This shows courage. Now repeat it, learners. I'd like to try.
Nice job.
Communication matters. Someone gives you information and you start saying,
Okay.
cold. Instead, you should say, thanks for letting me know.
Thanks for letting me know.
Warm and professional. Repeat slowly, learners. Thanks for letting me know.
Big moment. Presentation time. Wait.
Stress. You should say, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Say it with confidence, learners. I'm ready.
Final phrase. Team moment. Energy moment. Okay. Go.
Low energy. You should say, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Motivation, action. Pause and say it loud, learners. Let's do this.
Now, listen. We use many phrases together, learners. I'm nervous, but
Let me think.
that makes sense.
I agree.
I'll take care of it.
What do you think?
I'm working on it.
I'd like to try.
Thanks for letting me know.
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Pause the video, say them again. Out loud, learners.
Exactly. Nice work, learners.
At the start, I froze. No words, no confidence.
Now you have 10 simple English phrases for real life.
You don't need perfect English. You need calm, clear phrases.
Comment one phrase you will use today. Practice every day. Speak slowly. Believe yourself.
Subscribe for more confident English stories. You can do this. Let's do this.
See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, learners.